This is Sheena Iyengar, Professor of Business at Columbia Business School. Blind from the age of 16, she has authored more than 30 scholarly journals and books, many about decision making. She did a survey of 2,000 people, and here's what she found. People reported an average of 70 choices per day. CEOs have an average of 139 individual tasks per week, with lots of small tasks and decisions associated with that. 50% of their decisions were made in less than 9 minutes. Only 12% of their decisions took longer than 1 hour. She also describes a phenomenon called decision fatigue. The more decisions you have, the more likely you'll use impulse thinking. Impulse thinking is a lot like impulse eating when you're hungry and tired. Suddenly that fast food, burger and fries looks very appetizing. That's one of the reasons why some CEOs like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg wear the same outfit each day. Less to think about. Iyengar has also learned a lot about how business people fall back on their own bias to frame their decisions. If you'd like to learn more about the 5 decision bias types, click on the link.